In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix email reception in Hostinger by verifying and updating MX records. If your mailbox isn't receiving messages, the most common culprit is a mismatched or missing X record. MX records tell the internet which mail server should handle email for your domain. So let's walk through how to check and correct them inside Hostinger's hPanel. Start by logging in to your Hostinger hPanel. Once you're in, open the email section. Find the email account or domain you're working with and click Manage next to it. This takes you to the management view for that mailbox or domain. Next, open Connect Domain. This area shows you the exact settings Hostinger expects for your domain to receive mail properly. Go to the Receive Emails tab. Here, you'll see the expected X records. Make a note of them, including the mail server addresses and their priority numbers. Priorities matter. Mail systems try the lowest number first. Now compare those expected MX records with the MX records currently set on your domain. If your domain's DNS is managed in Hostinger, you can check it in your DNS zone editor. If your domain is registered or hosted elsewhere, open the DNS manager at your provider. You're looking for the MX entries for your root domain, usually represented by the host A, and verifying that the mail server values and priorities match what Hostinger shows you. If anything is missing or wrong, open your domain's DNS settings and update the MX records to match the expected values exactly. Ensure the host field is correct, the points to or mail server value matches Hostinger's, and the priority numbers align. It's a good idea to remove any outdated or conflicting MX records so only the correct ones remain. If you can set TTL, leaving the default is fine. A shorter TTL can speed up propagation during troubleshooting. Save the changes in your DNS manager. Then, back in hPanel, confirm that email services are enabled for the domain. You'll find this as a status or toggle in the email management area. It should clearly indicate that receiving is active. DNS changes don't take effect instantly. Wait for propagation, which can be as quick as a few minutes, but may take up to 24 hours, depending on your DNS provider. After waiting, test receiving an email again by sending a message from another mailbox to your domain address. Check your inbox and spam folder and try via webmail in Hostinger to rule out local mail client issues. That's it. Your domain should now be ready to receive emails reliably.